Hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. I'm very excited today as I'm going to show you how to create the beautiful curls with your Dyson Airwrap. Well, this is what my hair looks like before doing the curls from my Dyson Airwrap. You can have a look at the before. This is how my Dyson Airwrap looks like. These are the 6 attachments that you get in it. One is for brushing, the other one is for blow drying, one is the Conda effect. There are two type of curlers and one is for the straightening brush. So I'm using this normal blow brush to go run through my hair and remove any sort of tangles and to give it a more straighter look rather than a waved look that my hair already have. And this is just going to help me do the curls very easily. My hair are semi dry at the moment. I am running it through my hair just like a natural brush, and I am just trying to detangle it, and I'm going to straighten it up further. You can see how they look like. They've become pretty straight compared to the waves. Now I'm repeating the same process in the other half of my hair, and you can see they look pretty good. And rather, if you do not want to style them, you can leave it at this point and let your hair sit like this once you're done with the entire hair. Well, I am fast forwarding the clip for you all, and you can see the final result. The hair look pretty decent, and now I'm going to show you one thing about the Dyson hair wrap. Well, you can change the settings. So this is for the hot and cold air, and second setting on the right, which has 3 dots, that is to adjust the fan effect. So now I'm removing this brush attachment using the lock, and I'm unlocking this, and I've just removed this one, and I'm going to add my curling attachment. This is a small curling attachment. You can switch it up or down for an inward blow dry or an outward blow dry effect. This is from where you rotate it. Now you can see, again, I've shown it to you guys. Now I am going to do the curls. I think I would prefer outward curls. They look much better on my face shape, and you can see how it really picks up when you go closer to the hair. I'm doing the front section first. Guys, well, I feel the biggest advantage of having a Dyson is that it really, does the curls very quickly, and it just makes your hair look so much beautiful, and the waves look very natural, just like you can see here. I've not really edited the video. I wanted you to see the actual result, even if I'm making those cute faces and annoying faces or whatever. I really wanted you guys to see the actual result of how a Dyson curl looks like, and I think I really like it. I like it how it frames my face, and the outward curl really looks nice. Well, if you want the curls to stay really long, you can add a setting spray once you're done with it, or you can even fix them with rollers and add a clip on it and make them stay for some time and then add a spray on top. But I wanted my curls to just last for a few hours, so I didn't want to honestly add a lot of spray to my hair because I don't want to damage it unnecessarily. So that was my personal choice, but you can always add a setting spray for your curls to stay longer. Guys, मैं आपको एक टिप देना चाहती हूँ that I make the heat last in my curls for 10 seconds and then I shift the wave to the cold wave, और इससे मेरे 2 hours बहुत 2 से 3 hours आराम से किसी भी पार्टी में चले जाते हैं. एंड इफ़ यू वांट कि आपके मतलब आपको स्प्रे नहीं लगाना है, यू कैन ऑल्सो डू द सेम वे, और ये बहुत प्रिटी लगते हैं. दे लुक वेरी नेचुरल आफ्टर वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. And I think matlab if you can invest in a Dyson, it's one of the best equipments as it has 6 different attachments in it, and you can get thin and thick waves accordingly. Also, they come with a warranty period, so that makes it even more beneficial, and you can visit the nearest Dyson store for the same. I feel for me Dyson works really well. Now here's the final look post all the curls. Look at how stunning these curls look, and this was the quickest ever Dyson tutorial that I could do for you all, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to follow me on my socials and like, comment, share and subscribe. I will see you very soon. Much love. Mwah. Bye.